Ever wonder how robots learn to handle delicate tasks, like placing an apple into a plastic bag, without crushing the fruit or tearing the bag? It's not just about coding commands, it's about teaching robots to understand the physics of the world. Today, we're diving into a breakthrough called RoboScape, a smart AI system that's rewriting the rules of how robots learn by blending realistic video generation with physics knowledge. Let's break it down. Current AI models that simulate robot behavior rely heavily on videos, but here's the catch. They often ignore the physics behind those videos. Imagine a robot trying to pick up a soft sponge. If the AI doesn't know how sponges deform or how gravity affects them, the robot's actions might look all wrong. Traditional systems struggle with complex scenarios like handling flexible objects or navigating crowded spaces because they lack a fundamental grasp of physical interactions. That's where RoboScape steps in. Think of it as a robot's brain that not only generates lifelike videos, but also understands the physical rules of the world. How? It uses two key innovations. 1. Temporal Depth Prediction. This is like teaching the AI to see in 3D. Traditional models guess colors, RGB pixels, but RoboScape also predicts depth over time. Imagine watching a video where a robot's hand moves through a scene. This technique ensures the hand's position relative to objects stays physically accurate. No more floating objects or impossible motions. By modeling depth changes frame by frame, the system captures how objects deform, move, and interact in real time. 2. Keypoint Dynamics Learning. Here's where it gets really powerful. The AI tracks specific points on objects, like the corners of a box or the edges of a cloth, and learns how those points move. By analyzing these keypoints, the model infers properties like rigidity or softness. For example, a sponge's keypoints would stretch and squish, while a metal can's would stay stiff. This allows the robot to predict how objects will behave during real-world interactions, like grasping a wobbly cup or folding a towel. But how does this help robots learn better? RoboScape doesn't just generate videos, it creates synthetic data that mimics real-world physics. Researchers tested it by training robots using this data, and the results. The robots performed tasks like picking up objects or opening doors significantly better than before. Even more impressive, the model acts as a virtual simulator, letting engineers test robot policies without expensive real-world trials. So what's the big deal? RoboScape bridges the gap between looks realistic and acts realistic. It's not just about making pretty videos, it's about giving robots the common sense to interact with our messy, physics-driven world. And as this tech improves, we're one step closer to robots that can handle everything from household chores to complex industrial tasks. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how this works in action, check the link in the description. And hit subscribe for more deep dives into the science behind AI and robotics. Until next time, stay curious.